GB Power is professional diesel generator manufacturer in Shanghai, China. Every month, GB Power Factory produce around 300 pieces generators, power ranging from 5 kVA to 3000 kVA. Located in Shanghai, GB Power benefit a lot from easy access to major transportation networks and human resources. GB Power's Shanghai factory area is more than 15,000 square meters and equipped with advanced equipments including laser cutting machine, CNC punching machine, CNC bending machine, and so on. These machines can be used to produce 3,000 pieces generators every year. GB Power's experienced technicians and excellent facilities guarantee the production of first-class generator set. GB Power have established valuable relationships with some of the world's most famous engine brands, such as Perkins, Cummins, Doosan, Volvo, and MTU. Especially for Perkins, GB Power is one of the biggest OEM partner in China. GB Power product catalog is divided into open-type diesel generator, silent-type diesel generator, super-silent-type diesel generator, and container-type diesel generators, and can produce high-voltage generator, gas generator, lighting tower, and diesel pump to meet clients' requirements. GB Power have now successfully established wide cooperation with foreign companies in many fields, including telecom company from Malaysia and Brazil, petroleum cooperation in Saudi Arabia and Venezuela, and offer prime and standby power for office building and construction site. GB Power's high-quality products and professional service have gained more and more customers' trust. GB Power Generator will always be powering your good future.